take a white paper and draw many hearts on the back side. Now flip it and try to make an envelope. Now secure the bottom part with the help of glue. So now we will draw a bear on it. I am drawing the easiest one here, so you can also follow that. So you have to draw a triangle on the ear. This is the most important step because you have to fold that triangle to stick on the paper. Now stick your bear on the envelope and write the message which you want to give to your loved ones. And that's it. Our surprise wish card is ready. I have made many kind of card. Please check out the channel.